What's up people, it's Shazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Space Titan. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this. It's a Titan on a rocket. So it's presenting a Space Titan look. Titans traveling around the space and making the world a better place. So they are a yield generating social cryptocurrency. Members of the Titan ecosystem will be earning interest from network activity. A Space Titan member will help the world a little by raising breast cancer awareness and through their charitable partnership. So its main features are like token burn, 50% of all tokens burned before going live on PancakeSwap. Earn money 4% per transaction distributed to all holders. Anti-whale 0.5% max purchase. Okay, we will see that in BSC scan report. As for the tokenomics, let's have a look. 50% is initially burned. Team tokens would be 7%, 5% to the liquidity, 5% to redistribute it to the holders, and 3% to the charity. So why Space Titans? So their mission is like Space Titans are on a mission to make this world a better place and raise awareness around breast cancer. Community, they have a strong community and a strong team working on this amazing project. On each transaction, the holder will receive rewards, help to contribute raising awareness and making the world a little bit better. Awareness surrounding breast cancer is incredibly important as early detection, often though screening can catch the disease when it's most suitable. They have many big upcoming projects and partnerships soon to be announced. What are you waiting for? Be a Titan and hold while coin travel and space and beyond. So they have a video on YouTube about how to do research on breast cancer. They have mentioned their contact addresses here. So let's talk about their roadmap, as roadmap shows that what this project have done and what are they going to do next. Their phase 1 would have the 50% burn of initial supply, list on PancakeSwap, charity partnership, influencer partnership. So the tick shows that these have been achieved, and on which they don't have a tick, so they are pending on the list. In phase 2, they would get listing on CMC and CoinGecko applications. Application is submitted but it's not listed yet. The marketing push, events and competition, NFT exchange and auction, listing on established exchanges like central exchanges, and iOS game launch. So they would launch their own game on iOS. To buy this token on PancakeSwap, you just have to come to PancakeSwap, click I understand, connect your wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet you have. Once you connect that, select any major cryptocurrency for yourself, like in which you have coins like BNB, ADA, BTC, ETH, etc. Once you did that, select the ticker of Space Titan here, and from to enter the amounts from, and then just you can click the swap button and the coin will get into your bags. As for the BSC scan report shows that there are 1 quadrillion Space Titans. The transfer here are 6,265 on 1,755 addresses. As you can see that people are making transfer 9 minutes ago, 28 minutes, 39 minutes, 46 minutes ago. So people are taking a lot of interest here. They are trading it, and tokens are changing hands here. So it's the recent age. As for Hoodler, so here it's 59%, almost 60% are burned. But they said that they would burn 50%. Well and good. So this 5% are in liquidity. These are tokens of developers. And I don't see any big whales in the community. As you can see that this person who have 2% of the coins, even if he sell it, it won't affect the market by this way, that the chart would just go to a dip period, or a project will go to rug pull. So it's not possible here. It's rug pull proof. So that was up for the analytics. Let's have a look at the social media. Social media shows that how transparent a project is, and what events or AMAs are they organizing in future, etc. Starting with their Twitter is named as Space Titan BSC. They have 126 tweets and more than 4,700 followers. Their last post was 17 hours ago. And before that, they retweeted a post of Crypto Jones Juso on May 19th. They are updated on their Twitter too, and they should, because it's very essential for a crypto project to stay updated with your social media. They have a Instagram. If you are an Instagram user, you can follow them here and stay updated with their project, know more about them, their market cap and price, etc. Their Discord link has been expired, I guess, or it's maybe a technical issue for me. Their Telegram is named as Space Titan Official. You can just write Space Titan BAC in this Telegram search bar and you can join their Telegram. They have more than 5,000 members, and if you want to know more about this project, you can contact their admins and ask them questions like where to buy and what's the live price of it and market cap, etc. So that was up for the social media. It shows that they are very active there, and they should, because as a newbie in the crypto market, people should know about you, and it's social media is the best way to reach to as many people as you can. So yeah. So as an overview, it seems a solid project to me. It's still a start for it. I found it on CoinHunt, so its price on CoinHunt it shows that it has a very low price and a market cap is still low, like 204,000. It was launched on May 2nd. It's been 20 days this project has launched. So if you want to invest in it, this is the best opportunity for you before it go to the moon. So if you are interested in Safe Titan crypto, I will leave the website link of it in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself. Do some research if you want to invest in it. I have shown you how to buy it on PancakeSwap. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremise, where I would bring you more hidden gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the website link of Binance Smart Chain in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.